Hi children, welcome back to our class. How are you? I hope you are good. First, I would like to congratulate the children who got good marks in the previous test and the children who got less than 15 marks. You don't worry about those marks. You should pay more attention while watching the videos and try to get good marks in the next test. Children, today we are going to discuss about multiplication table of 3. Multiplication table of 3. This is also called as 3 table. This is called as 3 table. Let us see 3 table. By multiplying 3 with first 10 counting numbers, those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we get the following products. We get the following products. These are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Understood children? Let us see how do we get these products using 3 table. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. We can read it as 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. We can read it as 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. We can read it as 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. We can read it as 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. We can read it as 3 fives are 15. 3 fives are 15. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. We can read it as 3 sixes are 18. 3 sixes are 18. 3 into 7 is equal to 21. 3 into 7 is equal to 21. We can read it as 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. 3 into 8 is equal to 24. 3 into 8 is equal to 24. We can read it as 3 eights are 24. 3 eights are 24. 3 into 9 is equal to 27. 3 into 9 is equal to 27. We can read it as 3 nines are 27. 3 nines are 27. Finally, 3 into 10 is equal to 30. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. we can read it as 3 tens or 30. 3 tens or 30. Children, once again tell 3 table. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 fives are 15. 3 six are 18. 3 six are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are 30. Children, let us see how to get short forms for repeated addition using multiplication table of 3. Understood, children? Now we are going to see short forms for repeated addition using 3 table. Children, once look here. Here we have 3 boxes and each box consists of 1 dot. Now we are adding 1 dot repeatedly 3 times. Then we get 3 dots. To get this repeated addition in simplest way, we can use 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. That means 3 represents 3 groups and 1 represents number of dots in each group. Understood, children? Here we are considering each box as one group. Here we have 3 groups and each group consists of 1 dot. So, to get this repeated addition, we can use 3 ones are 3. See, children, here we are adding 2 dots repeatedly by 3 times. We are adding 2 dots repeatedly by 3 times. So, we get 6 dots. We get 6 dots. Then we can get this addition, this repeated addition by using 3 twos or 6. By using 3 twos or 6. Here 3 represents 3 groups or 3 boxes and 2 represents number of dots in each box. Number of dots in each box. Here we have 3 boxes and each box has 2 dots. So we are using 3 twos or 6. 3 twos or 6. Look here, children. How many boxes are here? 3 boxes. And how many dots are in each box? 3 dots. So, we are adding 3 dots repeatedly by 3 times and we get 9 as result. We can do this one as 3 threes or 9. 3 threes or 9. Here the first 3 represents number of boxes and second 3 represents number of dots in each box. Then the result is 9. Understood, children? Children, look here. Now we are adding 3/4. We are adding 3/4. That means each box consists of 4 dots. Now we are adding 3 boxes of 4 dots. So 4 dots adding repeatedly. Then we get 12 dots. To get this repeated addition easily, we can use 3/4 or 12. We can use 3/4 or 12. Here 3 represents 3 boxes and 4 represents number of dots in each box. So we can get the above repeated addition easily by using 3/4 or 12. Understood, children? Look here, children. Now we are adding 3 boxes with 5 number of dots. That means each box has 5 dots. Now we are adding 3 boxes and we get 15 dots as a result. To get this repeated addition easily, we can use 3 5s or 15. 3 5s or 15. Here 3 represents 3 number of boxes. 5 represents number of dots in each box. And the product 15 represents the result. Understood, children? Look here, children. Now we are adding 3 boxes with 6 number of dots. 3 boxes with 6 number of dots. Then we get 18 dots. Then we get a box with 18 dots. So, to get this repeated addition easily, we can use 3 6 or 18. 3 6 or 18. Here 3 represents number of groups or number of boxes. 6 represents number of dots in each box. And 18 represents the result. Understood, children? Look here, children. Now we are adding 3 boxes with 7 number of dots. So we are adding 7 dots repeatedly by 3 times. Then we get 21 dots. We get 21 dots. We can do this repeated addition easily by taking 3 7s or 21. 3 7s or 21. Here 3 represents 3 number of boxes. 7 represents number of dots in each box. And 21 represents the result. This is called product. Understood, children? Children, now we are adding 3 boxes with 8 number of dots. We are adding 8 dots repeatedly by 3 times. Understood, children? Then by adding 8 repeatedly 3 times, we get 24 dots. To get this operation easily, we can use 3 into 8 is equal to 24. 3 into 8 is equal to 24. That means 3 8s are 24. Here 3 represents 3 boxes. 8 represents number of dots in each box. And 24 represents the result of this operation. Understood, children? Now we are adding 3 boxes with 9 number of dots. That means each box has 9 dots. Now we are adding 9 dots repeatedly by 3 times. Then we get 27 dots. We get 27 dots. But it is difficult process. It's very difficult to do. So we can use 3 nines or 27 instead of this repeated addition. Here 3 represents number of boxes. 9 represents number of dots in each box. And finally 27 represents the result of this operation. Look here children. Now we are adding 3 boxes with 10 dots. That means each box has 10 dots. But it is very difficult to add 10 repeatedly by 3 times by taking fingers or vertical bars. So, to get this operation easily, we can use 3 into 10 is equal to 30. That means 3 tens or 30. Here 3 represents number of boxes. 10 represents number of dots in each box. Finally 30 represents the result of this operation. Understood children? Like this we can use tables to get repeated addition easily. Have you understood children? Children, today your worksheet is on tables. First class children, you should read and write 2, 3, 4, 5 tables. And second class children, you should read and write 2 to 8 tables. Understood children? Read and write 2 to 8 tables. For first class children only 2 to 5 tables. Children, you should practice these tables daily at least 2 times. Understood children? Every day you should practice these tables at least 2 times. Thank you children.